The Jefferson County Attorney says he will no longer prosecute people caught with a small amount of marijuana. Mike O'Connell says he was largely motivated by racial disparities in people charged with marijuana possession. WLKY's Mark Vanderhoff is at the Hall of Justice where O'Connell made that announcement. And Mark, what does this mean for people with cases in court right now?
Yeah, Monica, it means that their cases will ultimately be dismissed. Jefferson County Attorney Mike O'Connell says he wants his staff focusing on more dangerous crimes. O'Connell made the announcement with Sadiqa Reynolds of the Louisville Urban League and Raul Cunningham of the NAACP. His office will no longer prosecute possession of marijuana if someone is 21 years or older, is caught with less than 1 ounce, and that is the sole charge. He will also no longer prosecute possession of drug paraphernalia if that is the sole charge. Now, his office will still prosecute trafficking, growing, and DUI charges related to any amount of marijuana. O'Connell says that LMPD issued nearly 3,400 marijuana citations in 2017. And despite the fact that African Americans are a minority of Louisville's population, they made up for 56% of those citations.
In this room that really believes that there's that kind of disparity in who's smoking marijuana or has possession of marijuana in this community. Is there anybody that really believes that with a straight face?
Now, I should note that O'Connell's own son died of a heroin overdose. Despite that, he said in this press conference today that he believes the war on drugs has been a failure, and he says he does not believe that marijuana is a dangerous drug. Live at the Hall of Justice, Mark Vanderhoff, WLKY News.
Thanks so much, Mark. A spokesperson for Louisville Mayor Greg Fisher's office says LMPD has changed its practices in response to the new policy. The spokesperson issued a statement that read in part, "The mayor understands that this is an issue that relates to a range of others, including equity, and encourages the discussion surrounding marijuana policy to continue here in Louisville and at the state and federal level."